Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because subscribing is free.
Hi, welcome to the Amazing Car News channel.
The 2023 Mazda Miata is a new car that introduces at the Chicago Auto Show. The car company creates a very aggressive and increasing product range over the last few years with the debut of the Mazda 6 midsize sedan and all-new compact Mazda 3 hatch and sedan. But one of the most recognizable brand icons of the modern era has survived with only a modest refresh over the years. The new model reportedly map out a clear direction different styling for Mazda's signature roadster. One of many types of cars is a car sport. But the car sport has also many various types. In general, these cars are used by people, especially teenagers who have much budget. However, the car sports are not usually ridded with many passengers. At least, the car sports have two sights. One of the types is a roadster. It is very suitable if it is used by in pair. The car can be used to hang out with your beloved person such as girlfriend or maybe boyfriend. The car is also appropriate to hang out with just your friend. So, the car sports become the favorite product to much automotive industry. One of the many kinds of car sport is 2023 Mazda Miata.2023 Mazda Miata is the stylish car which is produced by Japanese automobile company. One of the biggest automotive company and manufacturer in the world. This car is one of the best seller vehicle in the automotive industry. Mazda have 3 different generations. So much design updates, and more engine changes. Mazda leave rear-wheel drive sport with the exterior designated by Shinari Concept, which unveiled in the earlier of the year. For the new generation 2023 Mazda Miata, Mazda keep attention to decrease the TPTAL weight into the lower one. At launch event of Shinari Concept, General Manager of Mazda Corp Design Division said that the new generation of this car brings new concept and also new design for the newest product. 2023 Mazda Miata initial target ambitious goals curb weight 2,200 pounds for the next generation of cars. But indications are the final curb weight come closer to 2,400 pounds. Between 150 to 200 pounds weight savings compared to the current car. Due to affordability considerations, the body is believed to be made of steel, but with light strategic components to keep weight low. Initial reports indicated a turbocharged engine for the new car. But now it looks like a naturally aspirated i4 with 1.5 and 2.0 liter capacities offered in various markets. As with previous Miata models, the focus is on balance of performance and handling rather than direct power. The body of the next generation Mazda built in steel. But the feature panels the high power, some structural solution, such as a difficult problem to be solved. One of the real characteristic of 2023 Mazda Miata is large grille which looks like in caffeine fix. Light of this car is also given an improvement, where now it uses the technology of LED lighting. Thank for watching.